Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add an adjustment layer or an adjustment clip in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. This is if you don't want to mess with the actual video itself, and if you want to edit it in a different way, you can add an adjustment layer, which you can edit instead of the video, and then that proves as a useful tool just to test out how some certain changes will look, and then you can just delete the layer if you don't like the changes. Now, the way that you do this, you go into the edit page and select the video that you want, or even you don't need to select it, it really doesn't matter. Then you need to go into the effects library and click on toolbox, then go into effects, and as you can see, one of the first effects is the adjustment clip. You just want to take that and drag it over the video and make sure that the entire video is covered, or you can just cover certain portions of the video if you want to, and then that will make a different adjustment layer which will last for a certain amount of time. Now all you have to do is click on it and go into the inspector, and here you can modify all of these values, which are pretty much the values you can edit in the clip itself, but you can use the adjustment layer, as I've said, for a certain amount of time or for a test change. If you don't like the change, you can just delete it by clicking it and pressing backspace, and as you can see, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.